Isuse omkhulu umsindo ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana eka-Asunyapoliс ewina i-awadi yokuba yi-midfielder of the season. Isuse iy'nkulumo-ke bafowethu eka-Asunyapolis. Abantu bayabuza ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana, ama-football legend, ama-supporters ayabuza ukuthi u-Asunyapolis uqale nini ukuba yi-midfielder, ngoba sazi ukuthi ubalwa njengamanye ama-forward but akadlali u-9, udlala as i-winger. Uqale nini-ke manje ukuba yi-midfielder of the season? Kuyamangaza ngoba uma sibuka back, there was a time lapho kwiMamelodi Sundowns umdlali waseBrazil uLucas Ribeiro wayeshisa iy'khotha edlala lama-position adlalwa o-Asunyapolis as i-winger, kodwa akakaze afakwe kuma-midfielder. So kuthusile-ke lokhu Asunyapolis, le award i-surprise abaningi ukuthi iya kanjani ku-Asunyapolis bengawona ama-midfielder. So kuqubukeke iy'nkulumo left, right and center ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana, ngisho ama-legend ebuza lo mbuzo ukuthi u-Asunyapolis kanti uqale nini ukudlala as a midfielder, kanti yini i-midfielder? Kube yinkinga enkulu, nabanye-ke besola uDr. Irvin Khoza ukuthi ama-award uwanikeza abadlali be-Pirates ngoba ewushaman we-Pirates. Nenye into efuna ukubukisiswa-ke naleyo ukuthi kuza kanjani ukuthi ushaman welokhuzana weqembu aphinde futhi kube uyena futhi ophatha iligi. So yenye i-corruption ekumele ngempela isukunyelwe ebholeni lase-South Africa. Akukwazi ukuthi umuntu ophethe iqembu aphinde futhi aphathe iligi. Iligi kumele iphathwe umuntu ongekho eqenjini elithize. Manje lento ibugebengu nje obukhulu ebholeni lase-South Africa. Kuyoqhubeka bekhala abalandeli, ekhala ama-legend ngalento eyenzakalayo because of umuntu ophethe ibhola chairman futhi weqembu. So kuke kusolise-ke makubonakala abadlali beqembu lakhe bewina ama-award abangawa-deserve. Yes, Police is a good player. Be-deserve ukuwina kula ma-award awinwe uMfokeng. Yabona le player of the season befuze ngabe iye ku-Asunyapolis, not le category le ye-midfielder of the season. Cha, akaqualify kule, akayona i-midfielder ulokhuzana u-Asunyapolis. Ake sibonge.